Here we have a 67 plate BMW 440i M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Plus package and also the Advanced Parking package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We do also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We also have the GRAN Coupe, if we just take a closer look, GRAN Coupe logo just there on the rear windows. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. And making our way around to the rear, you find the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust, with the 440i badging on the tailgate, which if you press the button on the remote, then it will open just like so. And inside of here, you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. Got the parcel shelf just up there as well. As you can see, nice large amount of space inside of there. We have the button as well just up here. Press this button and it will close again just like so. And then making our way back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look then at the interior. If you have a look at the back first, you find the full black leather interior. Apologies about the sun. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and also the fixed ISO points back here. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers as well. Premium Harman Kardon sound system and also the electric windows on the doors. Again, we've got the same full black leather interior for the front. Both front seats are heated, also electrically adjustable. Driver's side has the memory functions. We've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, and then you'll find the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, which is just down here. The vehicle will start up for us. Got speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. High beam assist as well, just there on that stalk. And we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. So on the digital screens in the centre of the dash. Also free from any warning lights as well. Other than letting us know about the low fuel, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main screen in the centre. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the shortcuts just down here, so we have the media. As you can see, we have the radio stations. We do also have the Bluetooth audio, USB and much more. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. And further down you find we have the heated seats on either side, climate control and the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see. Further down from there you find we have the cup holders just inside of here with the 12-volt connectivity. Got the automatic gearbox, put that into reverse and the reversing camera will appear on the screen along with the front and rear parking sensors on the left hand side. Put it back into park. We do also have the different drive modes just here, so press onto this button, then you'll find we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus. We have the traction control button, the parking sensors button, manual handbrake and a leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 440i M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this car drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not fighting with the steering wheel, we're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right, we're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now this car really is very comfortable to drive. The leather seats with the black stitching, both of these front seats are heated, so perfect for those wintry mornings, and they are both electrically adjustable with the memory function on the side of the seats. You probably do 200, 300, 400 miles and get out of this car still feeling pretty fresh. We've also got the multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume button with the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you're wanting to drive this car manually, then you can use the paddle shift. So as I accelerate around this corner, you can press the paddle shift just like so, and it goes up the gear. And as you're slowing down and braking, you can press the downshift and it slows down. We've also got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. We've also got the satellite navigation in the centre with all the other functions. Now I'm just going to be taking a right hand turn into the industrial estate here and performing an emergency stop. So I'll do that in 3, 2 and 1. Onto the brakes, into reverse, no issues. You can see we've got the reversing camera and sensors there. Back into drive, no problem, and there we go. Now if you've got any other queries or questions about this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact us here at RS Car Sales, where we will be happy to help. But that's all from me today. Cheers.